Melissa. From the day we met, I knew something special had just begun. We couldn't stop talking, laughing, joking, and smiling at one another. It felt as if I had found my best friend again after being apart for so many years. When I fall, you lift me up. When I struggle, you stand by me. And where I'm unsure, you are steady. I promise to stand by you through the good times and the bad. I promise to be by your side through sickness and through health. I can't promise every day will be perfect, but I can promise that every day I'll be yours. And every day I will choose you. I can't wait to build our life together with all its beauty, surprises, and adventures still to come. I love you, now and always.
Dan, I love you so much. We've been best friends since the day we met. It was like my soul recognized you and brought this immediate comfort. You've watched me live multiple lifetimes. You've loved me through each version I've presented. You've been there to make me laugh. You've been there to hold my hand when I'm scared. And you've been there to always remind me of who I am. I believe that my soul will always recognize you. And so I promise to love you through this lifetime, and I will find you and love you in every lifetime to come.
I give you this ring as a reminder
that I will love, honor, and cherish you
that I will love, honor, and cherish you
in all times,
in all times,
in all places,
and
in all ways forever.
in always forever.
I give you this ring as a reminder
That I will love, honor, and cherish you
that I will love, honor, and cherish you
in all times,
in all times,
in all places,
in all places,
and in all ways forever.
and in all ways forever.
And now, by the power vested in me, it's my honor and delight to declare you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
Right. I've never met a couple so enamored just with each other and so deeply, just deeply in love.
So with that, I'd like to raise a toast to true love and true friends.
Congratulations, guys. I appreciate both of you. I appreciate both for coming. Thank you very much, everybody.